All right, so now it's time for us to read our story together again. The Pots and Pans Band. The Pots and Pans Band. Zach and Ann are in a band. It's a Pots and Pans band. Zach and Quinn bang on pots. Ann and Neil bang on pans. Bang, bang, ding, ding. Mom wants to sing songs. Stop, Mom says. Mom asks the band to sing, not bang. Mom sets up snacks and says, Snacks! The kids drop the pots and pans and run to get the snacks. Mom grabs the pots and pans and sets them on a shelf. And that is the end of the Pots and Pans band. Now, we talked about exclamation points Monday, and we talked about how those exclamation points are used when you want to say something loud and get someone's attention. Mom is saying, Stop! Because she wants the boys and girls to hear her over the noise. She's saying it loudly. She wants them to stop. And here she's saying, Snacks! Because she wants the boys and girls to hear her over their noise and to stop making the noise and to come eat. We're going to move to our questions about our story today. We're going to be answering our questions in complete sentences. Our first question is, what is a pots and pan band? Ooh, let's do some thinking about that. Let's go back into our story. We know that Zach and Ann and their friends made a pots and pans band. Think about what that means. How is it different from a regular band? Yes, a pots and pan band uses pots and pans for their instruments. So, what do you think we could say, or what could we write that would answer that question in a sentence? Good, you have your answer. We had some think time. So maybe we could write today, that, let's see, let Miss Anke get my pen ready. Maybe we could write and remember to use your very best hand. We're going to start our sentence with an uppercase letter and some nice handwriting. A pots and excuse Miss Nakan for my handwriting. I'm really trying my best with this pen. A pots and pans band. What could we say? A pots and pans band. Maybe we could say uses pots and pans. We could also maybe say that a pots and pan band uses spoons, pots, and pans. But we definitely need a period because that is our answer. We are telling the answer. So look at our second question. Did Mom bang on the pots and pans? Good, you have your answer? Very good. We could say, no, Mom did not bang on the pots and pans. Or we could say, Mom did not bang on the pots and pans. And we're going to write that in a complete sentence. Mom did not thing on the, and Miss Lockhand's almost out of room. If you need to go to the bottom of your paper, that's fine. I'm going to try to fit mine down here. On the pots and pans. And remember that when we get to the end of our sentence, it is a telling sentence. It's a statement. We're going to use our period. Very good. All right, y'all did a very good job with those two questions. Now we're going to move on to question 3. It says, what did the kids get from Mom in the end? Oh, that's a great question. Think about the end of your story and let's read our choices. Our first choice says snacks, pots and pans, lunch. Good, let's have some think time. Touch your answer. Yes, if you touched snacks, you did some great thinking. Remember, we're going to bubble in just that one answer, and we're going to try to stay in the center of that circle and not go to the outside, not go past the edge. It's hard for Miss Knockhand with this pen, but I'm going to do my best. There we go. She brought the kids snacks. Do you remember why? Yes, because she wanted them to stop making the noise. So in this box, Miss Knockhand would like you to illustrate, remember that means draw, a part of the story. So let's go back and think about what you could draw. You could draw the actual pot and pans band. You could draw all the friends with their instruments. Maybe you could draw Mom sneaking away with the pots and pans. Or maybe you could draw the kids at the counter eating. And then I'd like you to write about what you drew, what part of the story. I can't wait to see your drawings, and I can't wait to see what part of the story you chose to illustrate today. Thank you so much for doing such a great job in reading today. Remember, you can always go back and read this story as well as your other stories from our Zach and Ann reader. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow so we can have another great reading lesson. Miss you and have a great day.